Hey collectors, here's a look at ED209 from the Robocop film, and I would like to thank Octotoys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. ED comes in a very big box and there is no window to view the content inside. This is the reissue of Enforcer Droid 209. Which is good for new collectors jumping in the bandwagon for Robocop collectibles from NECA. And this is what it looks like out of the box. It is enclosed in two clamshells and there are batteries included for this Enforcer droid. Here it is outside of the package. There's a lot of details in the sculpt that NECA did for this figure. It is comparable to what Hot Toys did for their 1:6 line. And this one, you can adjust the height by sliding the knees up and down. Also, there are details on either of the foot, but there are no articulations on the toes. It also has sound features. I remember in the film, even though I wanted to believe that ED is much bigger, he was able to fit in a conference room and was able to chase Robocop outside of the fire escape where he ultimately fell down. At the back of ED209, there is a plastic tab right there. Once you pull that out, that connects the battery inside, and this is the button to activate the movie sounds or clips that NECA used for this figure. Let's test two of the sound clips that NECA has included with this figure. That's one. And that's two. ED has limited articulation and his height varies depending on how you want his knees to be positioned when you slide it up and down. And for size comparison, here he is with the masterpiece Shockwave and Ironhide by Takara Tomy. With the 6-inch Justice League Superman from Mafex and the SH Figure Arts The Dark Knight. With Snoopy from Memory Lane and Kid Krillin from SH Figure Arts. And finally, with Robocop Ultimate Version by NECA. And with that, thank you all for watching. See you all again next video.